Hello, I'm Michael, and welcome to our channel. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe here at Sarasota Watch Company. If you like this watch, you can see and purchase it at our website, sarasotawatch.com, or call 941-953-1315. Thank you. Today we feature the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Sky-Dweller in 18 CT Ever Rose Gold with a dark rhodium dial and an oyster bracelet. This distinctive watch is characterized by its second time zone display on and off-center disc on the dial. Furthermore, its innovative system for setting the functions, using the rotatable ring command bezel, is unique to Rolex. 42mm is the diameter of the case, not including the crown. It's thinner than you might think at 13.9mm thick. Lug to lug it measures at 50.2mm, and becomes 51.6mm, if you include the solid end links. A fixed inverted red triangle on the dial points to the chosen reference time, the time at home, or at the traveler's usual workplace on the off-center 24-hour disc. At a glance, this 24-hour display clearly distinguishes daytime hours from nighttime hours in the other time zone. The Rolex fluted bezel is a mark of distinction. Originally, the fluting of the oyster bezel had a functional purpose. It served to screw the bezel onto the case, helping to ensure the waterproofness of the watch. It was therefore identical to the fluting on the case back, which was also screwed onto the case for waterproofness, using specific Rolex tools. Over time, the fluting became an aesthetic element, a genuine Rolex signature feature. Today the fluted bezel is a mark of distinction, always in gold. In all, the Oyster Perpetual Sky-Dweller is a wonderfully unique watch. On the one hand, it has an exclusive look and set of functions designed by a brilliant company, being also useful and luxuriously attractive. On the other hand, it is very much a daily wear watch. The case is comfortable and durable. It goes without saying that there is next to nothing else on the market quite like it, a description Rolex seems to achieve rather often. This watch would make a wonderful gift or addition to any collection, and is a practical and versatile option for any Rolex enthusiast. Pick up this and many more today at sarasotawatch.com, or call 941-953-1315.